Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the best possible sign-up bonus on the platform Gateio very quickly and very easily. So all you have to do is simply go down to the video description, click on the link, and then you will get to exactly this page right here. You can enter your email and password, and then you can sign up and create your account, and then you're eligible for all of these nice bonuses that you can see on the right side right here. So the first thing that you can get is up to $100 of nice welcome rewards. I can show you how you can easily claim them. So the first thing that you will get is directly after your sign up and after you've completed the KYC verification. Then after you sign up and then after you trade, you will get another nice bonus, and the bonuses that you can get are listed down here. So you can get, for example, $10 of funds that you can use on the platform. Some test funds also are available, or $10 in the Gate token, or even $100 in the Gate token. So these are all the bonuses that you can get immediately after your sign up, after you have deposited, and after you have traded. So these are things that you can get. You will get always 100% something of that. And that's not all, that's only one of them. The second thing that you can get is 40% discount on all your trading fees on the platform forever, which is of course very nice as well. So this counts for trading, buying and selling, and also leverage trading on the platform. And down here you can also get, depends on the current price pool that they have in the current event that they're running. But right now it's, for example, $5 million of a price pool. And if you participate here and you can also trade within that time, you can also get some very nice rewards for that. So of course, these things can change. Whatever time it is, it doesn't matter what time it is, you will always get, using the link down from the video description, the best bonus if you can just sign up right here. And if you need some other assistance on the platform Gateio, for example, if you want to know how to deposit, how to buy, and how to trade on the platform, you can simply check out my YouTube channel, or I have also linked all of these tutorials down in the video description. And of course, if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.